Whoa!
Go on. Do it now.
Which one?
Annie. I kind of went down your body like that then. Oh God.
You do it.
Oh, thank you then. Shut up, man. We know it's you.
Cover your head. That is the motorbike.
Yeah, we're just like standing outside. Oh God, don't want to show them now. I want to show them the house number. Yeah, it's number 60, look.
69. Yeah, look, the line's missing at 69.
Can you see some cars? Yeah, this is not. Look at her eyes. Look at her eyes. Go on.
Eyeball.
No, just open them both.
Oh.
Look at the camera.
I can see. Yeah, you can see yourself through it, like. You can nose.
What? I have got black people on my fingers. You have, haven't you?
Yeah.
You've been tagged in all there.
Troll.
The troll. Look how she stands.
What?
Do a pose.
I think we should like do that on split screen.
What?
Record it split screen. Like set the phone up somewhere, put it on put us on split screen. And pose. Hey! Hey! Hey!
No. No, just like.
Go.
No. Just do what like people do like when they're walking, like, hey, yeah. It's on like fuck if you come on the video now, don't I?
Yep.
You'll hear my voice when I talk like this now. Trust us, Daddy. No, do you want to say bye?
Yeah.
Computer's no.
My computer says yes.
Oh shit! You just ripped on me head, Luke. Yeah, that looked right. So disgusting. Say bye then.
Bye. Have a good time.